Welcome to STEM Education, bringing what to learn in classroom to the real world. Before then, let's look at something in the book first, and we interpret it on it. So we have here a transistor. It is a semiconductor device commonly used to amplify or switch electronic signals. That is the definition in the book. So let's go to the practical aspect of it. Now we have here a simple electronic circuit which has a switch, a bulb, and then battery. We have here a transistor. So these are our connecting wires. Now the amplifier here, the transistor here serves as a switch or an amplifier. So we can use the transistor to replace our switch. Then we have here a bulb. This bulb too can be replaced with a pump or any other devices that we want. And this is the battery that powers the system. So let's come about how we do the connections with the transistors and other devices. Now we have our transistor is having base, collector, and emitter. Then the sensor that we are using to build our project is also having DND, which is negative, VCC, which is positive, and then out, which brings up information. So how do we connect this whole system? Now for current to flow, we have to connect positive to negative. So we connect a VCC to emitter, which is negative terminal. Then we connect collector to what? Out. Now when the information is given out, there should be something that will receive the data. Therefore, we give that to the collector. So the collector here is connected to the out is connected to the collector. Now you have to control the flow of current, but the current that is transmitted will be reduced at a level that the system can use. Therefore, we have a resistor. The resistor opposes the flow of current. Now we have our pump here. This is our pump having positive and negative terminal. Where do we connect it? We know that the base is having positive charges. Therefore, we connect the base to the pump. And then we know that the DND that we have on the infrared sensor is having what? Negative. DND is negative. Therefore, connect the negative from DND to the sensor. We want to power the system. Now our connection is complete. We want to power the system. So we make use of the battery. The battery, we know that it's having positive and negative terminal. But then we know that there's positive terminal here and a negative terminal, as well as there's positive terminal here and a negative terminal here. Which side should we connect it to? Because we have the out here, which need the energy for information to come out, it must be given to the out. We give the positive terminal of the battery to the VCC and the negative terminal to the GND. Now our system is what powered. We have here pump and then infrared sensor. Then we have our transistor and then resistor. And the laptop here serves as our source of energy. So let's plug it and see. To dip the pump into the water. Dip it into the water. Now, the pump will be dipped into the water, but the water is not full. So when you bring your hand closer, it senses objects. As it senses, it brings out an output. So it is based on what you have learned in the classroom that you have used to build smart water dispenser.